Good morning, children. In the previous video we discussed about the land transport. Today we discuss about the water transport. Children's water transport has been used from the since early. Man has noticed that they noticed that wood can be float on waters. Okay. From that time onwards, we human beings are using water transport. And children's wooden ship play an important role in world trades from the thousands of years ago. Peoples use wooden ship. It will help us to carry our heavy goods. Okay, even today also, children's heavy cargo ship is carried by cargo is carried by ship across continent. Means they carried heavy loads will be carried by a cargo from one continent to another continent, like from Asia to America or America to Australia. Okay, these are the big ship. The cargo ships are the very big ship. It will be used by a merchant ships, like maybe a bulk carriers or a general cargo or oil tankers or a container ship. Children, general cargo means they can carry everything. Oil tankers means these are the tankers ship, and container ship means they are this is known as the container ships. And bulk carrier means bulk carriers is also a merchant ship, and it is especially designed to transport unpackaged materials. Okay, and children's barges and ferries are also they would also use as an water transport. They transport goods and people, but they can transport shorter distance and not the longer distance. And this cargo ship, bulk carriers, and all they are carries goods for a long distance. Okay, and children's yacht and speedboats are leisure and pleasure tours. This type of yacht and this type of ferries, these are speedboats are leisure for pleasure tours. Means like this is cruise, like a speedboats, they are leisure. And children's fishing boats and trawler help fishermen from the early time to till today's day life. They are earning their livelihoods, and the navies of the world have a ship for battle. Means children's navies means they are the armed forces, or they are the armed forces that fight at the sea in the times of war. Okay, and children's they have big ship boats, and they can store their missiles boats and frigates and destroyers and aircraft carriers. Okay, they have many spaces on that. Navies have many spaces on their ship, and like they can keep their missiles boats. Frigates mean small boats, and these, with the help of them, they can destroy the other enemies at the time of war. Okay, and children's even the navies have the submarines that can strike from under the water surface also. This is the pictures of submarine. Okay, children, these submarines can move on underwaters, and they can also strike from the underwater surface. Okay, children's land transport and water transport are quite slow transport, but air transport is the fastest means of transport. Okay, and children's peoples were inspired to make aeroplanes or helicopters or aircraft by the inspirations they will get from the air balloons and the hot air balloons and the flight of birds that inspired man to design the aircraft. And from aircraft, slowly they are discovered airships, from airships to gliders, and from helicopters to space shuttles. Okay, And children, nowadays there are many air transport system, but mostly common is the aeroplanes. Aeroplanes are the planes that they can run on a air, but they need a long runway in an airport to take off and take off from the lands. Okay, and children's aircraft have wheels on which they can run and pick up their speed when they will take off and fly. Okay, and children's, once airborne, the wheels will retract when they will meet to the airborne, and they will retract with their wheels into an aircraft belly, and children's they will take their speeds also. Okay, and children, some seaplanes also can be have floatings on skies. There are some seaplanes also, they can floating skies to help them take off and land on the water surface also. So, but they are usually used by some peoples only. Okay, and children's, when we have to travel, so we come across from many kinds of, we need many kinds of special documents with children. So you can notice when we travel in a train or train, that time we need our ID proof, that whether we are from which states we are traveling. Okay, that time we have to show our not passport, it's a Aadhaar card or the voter ID. Okay, and children's, for traveling on a public transport, we have to pay money, and we will get tickets, and we check the timetables. So before we journey, we take the time tickets, that on that ticket we check the timetables, and when the train will becomes, or what is their departure times and their arrival times, and our destinations we will choose by ourselves. Okay, and children, in addition to ticket, when we fly on an aircraft or in a passenger sails, when we sails on a passenger ships, we have given the boarding pass. Okay, that will not offered you in a train or a bus tickets, but that boarding pass will be offered or given in when we are traveling in an airplane and passenger ship. Okay, and children, on that boarding pass we are guided that where we would sit, or which one is our cabin to sleep and rest. Okay, and children's, train and bus tickets usually print the berth and seat numbers on the ticket itself. And when children's, we are traveling to the foreign countries or the other countries, or means abroad means foreign countries, that time we required we need our passport. It is a proof that we are the citizen, or this is the identity of our country, India. Okay, with the showing of this passport only, the countries which we want to visit, that will gives us the visa for a certain times, for a 1 month or a 2 month, or for peoples, those who wants to go work, they will get a 1 year or a 2 year visa on their country, that they will welcome us to stay and see their countries. Okay, and children's, with so many means of transport to choose from, traveling has become very easier and affordable for us, all of us. But children's, the huge volume of travelings and travelers are added, and it has been quite dangerous and a burden for the environment, because these traveling or the travelers will pollute our environments. It means that the more increased number of traveler, the more increased number of automobiles we use. But the use of many automobiles is the biggest cause for the air pollutions. And children's, it is not easy, or it is very hard that we cannot stay without travel. So children's, however, we have to do lots of minimize to damage our environment by giving or by doing some few rules which were guided by the governments. Okay.